Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tools and home improvement products. Today, we're diving into the System 1600K20 Sculpt Wood Putty Kit, touted as one of the best Sculpt Wood Putties on the market. If you're into woodworking or home repairs, stick around because this might just be the product you've been looking for. The System 1600K20 Sculpt Wood Putty Kit is a versatile two-part epoxy putty designed primarily for filling voids and repairing rotted wood. It's known for its non-shrinking formula, which makes it perfect for applications where precise filling and finishing are essential. Unlike traditional wood fillers, this epoxy putty won't shrink over time, ensuring a durable and long-lasting repair. Once mixed, it's easy to apply and shape, adhering strongly to wood surfaces when used with System 3's rot-fix epoxy. It's compatible with most water and solvent-based primers and paints, allowing for seamless integration into various finishing processes. It's solvent-free and cleans up easily with lacquer thinner, denatured alcohol, or white vinegar before curing. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and durable wood putty that's easy to work with and provides exceptional results, the System 1600K20 Sculpt Wood Putty Kit is definitely worth considering. Its non-shrinking formula, versatility, and ease of use make it a favorite among both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. That wraps up our review of the System 1600K20 Sculpt Wood Putty Kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.